Hello and welcome to another update video about Aave. Only a quick update here. Aave, no change really to the last video, but we've got a possible long trade setup here. I just want to make you aware of. Already posted on Telegram earlier today to the channel members. The point is, what I said in the previous video, that my primary expectation is that we moved up from down there at around $65 in a wave 1, came down at 2, moved up in a 3, came down at 4, moved up in a 5. Yeah, finished off this wave 1 and we're now on track to delivering this wave 2 correction, getting into the area between $70 and $77. But I made you aware in the last video already that there's an alternative wave count. So the assumption would be wave 2 is still to come, right? And that we're just doing here a bit of a complex correction. You know, A, probably here the B, right? And the C down still. But I made you aware in the previous video that there is a possibility that the wave 4 never finished here. But in fact, we've got a running flat A, B, C. Yeah, and that this wave 4 finished here on the 28th of October, which leaves the wave 5 still to come. My point is because the wave 5 here, if I count 5 waves up here, it would have been a truncated wave 5. So a very weak wave 5. Not great, but it is my primary expectation at the moment until the price does something different. The point here I try to make, even though this is the alternative count, it's still a possible long trade setup. Yeah. And, you know, I don't always follow my primary counts when trading. When you have a good reward to risk ratio, because you can't look into the future, you don't have the crystal ball, right? So you sometimes just want to do it still. No financial advice here, but if it is correct that the wave 4 bottomed here, then this is a 1-2 trade setup. I talked about the possibility of and how to trade these setups before. Next, there would be a 3 up, a 4 down, and a 5 up. And that wave 5 here could take us to around $95. Now, that would mean that those 5 waves will not be completed until we reach the roughly $95 range. And only after that, we are going to see this wave 2 happen. Okay, so it would just be a bit delayed. So the idea is either this was wave 1, we come down now in 2 and start then to the upside, or we still have this wave 5 to do, then come down and then go up. At the moment, both possibilities are bullish. The one of them is short term a bit more bearish and then up, but also bullish. And in the alternative count here, we have a long trade setup, which might be interesting for some of you. Of course, I don't tell you to do it or not, but what I'm telling you is the stop loss can be quite nicely defined. In my opinion, and the point is this is a valid setup as long as we're holding above the $82 level. Yeah, the 78.6% retrace. Yeah, in the worst case, it could come down to 81.42, but if it goes below that, it will probably be invalidated. Yeah, that's just a quick update I wanted to give you. So there's still a chance for Aave to push here once more before it comes down in this wave 2 correction, but overall, one of the best charts out there at the moment. Okay, that's my update about Aave. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.